Hello my actors and my actress, this is the actor that I'm talking, and in this video I want to talk about Elixir's programming language. It's a dynamic functional language that helps you to create a high scalable system. Why? Because it's running over Erlang machine and it's known for create a low latency, distributed and fault tolerance system. All this came with Erlang VM. So everything that we need. And the good news is when you're using Erlang VM, you don't need an external package. You can use the Erlang itself. So it's very nice. So you can use Erlang for many type of system like web, embedded machine learning, and others. It's a very powerful language. I recommend you take a look. And you should also know about actor mode, how it works, because you're going to understand the better codes on Erlang and why there's some choice or why you need to do some kind of code to run Elixir. So when you're using Elixir, you need this mix. Maybe there's another option, but I only use this one. It's going to manage your dependencies, build your project, run your tests, and there is a very good documentation, so I highly recommend you take a look. And to install on your machine, you can use this ASDF. As you can see here, have Elixir and Erlang. You need to install both. For who is using Windows, you can use Chocolate. Maybe it's not the most updated version of Erlang, but this cannot be a problem for you if you're for learning and don't you want to use the newest features. And for Mac, you can use Homebrew. There's also a cask, or there is a package that you can install there. So let's go to the code. So first here, what I'm going to do, here I'm going to create a new project. So let's go, new, mix new, hello world. Let's go enter this hello world here. And let me open a new window here and run sx.smix. So this one, it's yeah, I the wrong one. This allow me to change my code and test in real time. So it's very cool. So let's go here, alex.enter. Hello. Yeah. So let's recompile the code and run hello world.hello. Yeah, so you can see it's returning this one, hello world. Now let's create a new math here. Def uh, print. Let's call this print one. Yeah, hello print. And now let's ask argument. Do end. And here io.write arc. Uh, recompile. And now let's call our print. Yeah, okay. I need to send a parameter here. So yeah, a, for example. So I could print a. Let's print number one here. Yeah, was possible. Yeah, let's run here. So let's try to pass a map here. A point one. Oh, it's failed because I didn't have implement the correct code. So let's do here a new one. Dev print. I'll ask an argument as well. But this time I'm going to use pattern matching. So for this one, I will do this. When is map arguments do here io.print, and let's pass his inspect function, and let's pass our argument here. There's no print, it's right. Right. So let's do a recompile. Hello world dot print. Let's press again. So now it's working. So this one here, it's called um, path matching, like I say, and here it's very powerful. You can do a lot of things here on this guard. Yeah. So now let's create a new map here called def. Um, another print, other print, and let's do end here. And on this print, I want to just io dot write other. So let's do this slash n other print. I'm going to call print again for print, and I'm going to call my argument here. Yeah, that's it. And here, let's return our argument for now. Now let's create this one here that we are going to call def print chain. Let's pass an argument here to n. And now let's call this function to get all this functional argument dot arg, and here it's going to be print. Then I'm going at the return I'm going to call another print. So let's go there, recompile, and hello world, branch chain, and now let's call a. I make a print, and I print again. So yeah, that's nice. So let's imagine now I want to print only when it's a number, only when number is bigger than number 10. I have many ways to do this. I can do this if is number argument and arg is bigger than 10, do and we can do like this. Uh, here and here I can do this. Rather else here. I can do this way, but I mean write too much code. I can also write like this, unless unless it's being deprecated. Another way to type this one, it's if not a number or bigger than 10. I can type this one here. Right? Yeah. But there's another way. It's much easier. It's cleaner to read. So def print argument when is number, when is number arg, and arg is less than 10 to end. And here I can just return my argument, and I don't need this. So making my function easy to understand. So like on this case here, I'm going to return my argument. When it's any other thing, I'm going to do this. Yeah, so make your code much more clear. So let's go here. Let's do our recompile. And now let's call chain. Now let's call number 1. Yeah, it's only print only one time, and what that was nice. And by the end, the last thing I want to talk about this video, it's how they solved the issue about types. Because when you look at this, what is this? Can be anything. Okay, I know it's a map. But if I'm here like print argument, should I pass a function here? Should I pass what I should pass here? So to solve this problem, in the latest version of Elixir, they solved this by introduce uh, call something spec here. So spec, so I can print. On this case, let's say I have an argument, and I want that argument receive a string or a number or a map. So this is the only thing that I want to receive, and I'm going to return this. Yeah, and here in the same thing here in the other print, but the difference is the other print I'm going to return something because I'm going to return here the print. But if I have done like this, for example, I'm not going to return anything. I think let's see here. Yeah, okay, let's want to keep it this way, as you can see. So you can have like this spec help you a lot when you're going to help when you go to developer, make your developer experience better. So if now I came here, print, I know I can send a number, a string, or a map. And let's say I want to have a new type here. So we have many ways to do this. One way is to do this type, and I'm going to say uh, some. I'm going to call this type as test. This type is test, and it's going to have a key called a, and it's going to be a string only. And now, yeah, it's wrong here. And here I can, let's say that I don't want to receive a map. I want to receive a test here. So when now people is going to call here, he knows it's going to be a test. So you can try to find the documentation what is this test and make your development experience much better. So if you are interested in this one, this small process of Elixir, I highly recommend you go after and see what else the string can do and what else Elixir do and how to do stuff in Elixir. For example, go try to after Phoenix for web development. Yeah, that's it for now for today, and see you in the next video, guys.